Zambia is an extraordinary country with beautiful landscapes and incredible wildlife. But beyond that, it's a place of phenomenal cultural diversity with brilliant artists, musicians and sculptors. It's a place where you never know what excitement is waiting around the next corner. The Muze Trust and Pembroke College are working together to enable continued visits from Pembroke College Choir, small groups of musicians and from individuals. Here's just a little taster of some of the ways we hope we can make a difference in Zambia. One of our major projects has been teaching basic Western notation to young musicians in Zambia. We start by using numbers to represent degrees of the scale, and then we look at basic rhythms. Once we've done that, we teach them rounds, and then teach them how to write them down. It's an incredible moment when you see them realise for the first time that what they have written down actually translates to something that can be sung or performed. One of the incredible things about the tour was that we were working with groups of completely disparate ages and abilities. We did some work in secondary schools, working with relatively small groups of children, and we got them singing in over 8 parts. We got them to try their hand at a little bit of conducting, which they always really enjoyed. But then at the other end of the spectrum, we worked at Estelle village, working with over 200 children and young adults doing these massive group singing workshops, which were incredibly fun, if rather exhausting. Wherever we went, we were struck by everyone's incredible energy and hospitality. They put on these incredible showcase performances for us, where the children would show off their dances and their songs, and it was this sheer enthusiasm that kept us motivated throughout the whole trip. We came away having learnt some of their dances and some of their songs, but beyond that, we came away with a new love and respect for the incredible country that is Zambia.